Before you spend your hard-earned money on this Amazon product, here's the honest, no-fluff breakdown you actually need. Many upright vacuums promise powerful cleaning, especially for pet hair, but the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe NV360 isn't just another promise, it delivers truly transformative versatility and deep cleaning for every single corner of your home. This isn't merely a vacuum, it's an intelligent, adaptive cleaning solution designed to genuinely simplify your chores. Stick around to discover if this iconic blue cleaning powerhouse is the smart purchase you've been looking for to truly elevate your home's cleanliness and significantly lighten your workload. So, let's get straight to the core. What exactly is the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe NV360? At its foundation, it's a remarkably robust and thoughtfully engineered upright vacuum cleaner, proudly brought to you by Shark, a brand that has consistently earned its reputation for pushing the boundaries of innovative home cleaning technology. This particular model, the NV360, is masterfully designed to function as a true multi-surface cleaning powerhouse. It's incredibly adept at seamlessly transitioning from plush, deep pile carpets, where it can extract deeply embedded grime, to delicate hard floors such as gleaming hardwood or elegant tile, all while meticulously maintaining an incredibly strong, consistent, and reliable suction. This machine is primarily built for the busy, modern homeowner who regularly grapples with a diverse array of cleaning challenges, everything from the accumulation of everyday dust and tracked-in dirt to the often overwhelming and persistent battle against pet hair. The fundamental problem it brilliantly solves is the urgent need for a singular, highly versatile, remarkably powerful, and genuinely user-friendly vacuum that can expertly adapt to virtually any cleaning scenario around your house. This means your entire cleaning routine becomes not only significantly more efficient and less time-consuming but also considerably less strenuous and far more enjoyable than relying on an inconvenient arsenal of specialized, single-purpose cleaning devices, giving you back precious time and energy. Now, let's dive deep into the specific key features that not only define the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe NV360 but, more importantly, translate into tangible, real-world benefits for your daily cleaning routine and overall home environment. The undeniable star feature is its revolutionary lift-away technology. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.